keeping you connected to our community. 11 Connects.
Hello, Southern Colorado, and welcome to 11 Connects. I'm your host, Ryan Nelson, and today we are back at Serenity Mental Health Centers with Dr. Matthew Mills, a familiar face to the show. And we have a new patient. She goes by the name of Alicia. How are you today?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, and how are you?
I'm doing well. Thanks for being here, Ryan.
Now, today we're talking about how TMS therapy turns habits into healing tools. Now, you have 1 month left in your TMS treatment. Now, what feels different about your life before and after you started?
Yes, of course. Beforehand, I was having trouble to function. I was struggling to do the daily things that I needed to do for my son. Now I'm, every morning I'm getting up and I'm going for long walks, and I'm on top of getting, doing projects with him and having fun, and it's a big difference.
So it's strengthened your bond with him.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's wonderful. Now, how do you, Dr. Matthew Mills, how do you go from seeing patients, kind of getting by to thriving?
Sure. I think that journey is different for everybody. I usually encourage people to find their why, meaning, these other motivating factors besides feeling good, like spending time with your kids, like being there, being present, involved in the project, these other motivating factors, because that helps people, stay motivated for treatment and look for other things.
And this connects to their daily habits. How does this all work out when you try to build out a plan for somebody in their daily habits?
Sure. I think daily habits are unique for everybody, but I like to keep it simple. Just these activities of daily living. So getting enough sleep, cooking, regular exercise, spending time with and actually being present with your loved ones. These habits really build on each other and help people thrive, in the long run.
Okay, now I have to ask you, what are some of the newer habits that you've picked up?
I have started reading again. I've started, like I said, I started going on walks, and I've been mixing it up and doing all kinds of other kind of gym stuff. I'm more present and engaged with both my family and my friends. So it's a remarkable difference.
Okay, so we're exercising more. What are some of the books you're reading?
Right now I'm reading Zombie Apocalypse.
Okay. Love that, yeah. Is that your favorite one, you would say?
No, this just it's a long series, and I just got started on it. Just thought it was good.
Okay, I know somebody out there who's probably reading it. Now, how do habits like this have a long-term difference? How do they make those?
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, Ryan, good habits hard to kick, right? So these daily positive habits, they build on each other. It helps provide consistency in easy times and hard times. It helps people find success, find consistency, and ultimately help you thrive.
I love that. And even some of the habits she was saying, I need to start doing them for myself.
Sure.
And I know there's somebody who's watching who's saying, I need to get going myself. I keep saying myself, but you get what I'm saying. Now, for anyone who's watching, how can they get in contact with you all?
Sure. You can find us at serenitymentalhealthcenters.com. You can reach out to us at the number on the screen. Call us. We can often get you in for a same-day appointment.
That's awesome. A same-day appointment is hard to find anywhere in Southern Colorado, especially for mental health, but Serenity is the place to be. And as you can see, there is a change with her. There's a change in her life. She's reading, she's working out, you're doing things with your son, like you were saying. So that's wonderful. So life change can happen right here at Serenity. So give them a call. Their information is on the screen. Just wanted to say thank you so much for being transparent about your journey, and thank you for serving our community. We really
Thank
do
you,
appreciate
Ryan.
it.
Appreciate you.